Hello everybody. Do you like my hippy dippy shirt? I feel like this shirt defines my personality. Anyway, this video is going to be a challenge, definitely accepted. Me and my acne, of course, doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. So, I've done this before, but I didn't have as bad acne. That was like probably before, because I used to post makeup videos on this channel before. I even did skincare and stuff. I'm just going to attempt to do a full face of makeup in 5 minutes, seeing if I can, you know, cover it all. We're just gonna have some interesting fun, maybe. I hope it's fun. I feel like this is stressing me out already. So without further ado, I'm just kind of stalling right now. I'm gonna put a timer right here and we're just going to get right into it. Put a timer on my phone, of course, too, so I know it's at 4 minutes and 59 seconds. We're just gonna go for it. Okay, it's going. So, I'm like, this is literally not going to end well. I think I'm taking too much of this, but it's okay. Oh, that's a little too much. Man, with Marc Jacobs, you seriously don't need any. Look at that. I feel like... Dude, I feel like I'm gonna fail this already. I want to do a decent job too. I'm gonna brush. Okay. Oh my gosh. Brows. I'm gonna do my brows now. Dude, I'm freaking out. I look like an Oompa Loompa. I feel like this is so orange on me. I feel like I'm gonna waste time if I keep looking down at the timer, but then I wanna know if I have to speed up or not. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm freaking out. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, seriously, that is good enough. I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows a bit, because why not? Do a little unibrow, define my eyes. I also felt like I didn't get enough sleep, so if I'm tired, if I appear tired in this video, that is probably why. I'm not usually like this. Hopefully, I mean, I hope I'm, oh my god, I totally forgot I'm just gonna use my setting powder brush. I forgot my concealer brush. Dude, this is already like rough. We're just gonna use our fingers. I forgot my brush in the bathroom. Okay, we're gonna put some, oh my gosh, concealer. Dude, how much time do I have left? Dude, I have 2 minutes left? What the heck? Oh, I feel like I just crossed my eyes hardcore. Okay, we're gonna set face. Dude, there's powder everywhere. It's getting all in my teeth. Gonna do this, some bronzer. Now I'm really speeding up. As long as I got my foundation good, I am solid. Everything else I could just like throw on my face. Okay, now we're just doing blush. This is very convenient for sure. Okay, I feel like I put too much already. We're gonna put some highlighter. Put some on the tip of the nose, my cupid's bow, some eyes. We're just gonna slop it on here. Okay, I'm gonna do some mascara. Oh my god. I dipped. Oh, I can't talk. I don't know what I was gonna say. Oh man, I don't know. Dude, I think I probably only have like a minute left. Did I not do false lashes? Oh my gosh, this is so bad. How much time do I have left? I have 41 seconds left. I'm so overwhelmed. I don't know what to do. Okay, go put a bit of this on. Oh my gosh, go put some lip gloss. Okay. I don't know if I even have time for lashes. We'll see if I can do this. I want to challenge myself. Put it here. Okay. Oh no, I don't think I can. No, no. I swear when I did my 5-minute makeup challenge before, I was able to do literally everything, including lashes, and I literally did such a good job, including setting spray. Those are like the 2 things I just did not have enough time for. No. Seriously, I really gotta get it together. My neck, you know, everything kind of matches. My blush isn't like too insane. I look still kind of normal. I could do a little close up here. The only thing is my setting spray. I was so close. I should have done that first, and then I should have like done lashes maybe just to see if I could have time. Last time when I did this challenge, I still had like a full minute left to do lashes, and I managed to do both of my lashes. Yeah, like a minute. So I don't know what I was doing. Like I was doing some sort of magic witchcraft back then, because seriously, I literally did everything and lashes. Okay, let's just do close up. This is what we got going. Okay. Yeah, so I have a little bit of whatever. And like my acne is covered. If you want 5 minutes and full coverage, like you don't have to layer with this. They're not sponsoring me or anything. I'm just obsessed with that foundation. When it comes to like putting on quick makeup, but like full coverage, quick makeup, that stuff is like heavy duty foundation. You literally only need 1 thin layer. This of course is my favorite concealer. It literally does the job so well. It's my favorite under eye concealer. I feel like if I didn't carve my eyebrows and I just did like my lashes and setting spray, because honestly my eyebrows don't even look that good. Like they kind of look the same anyway. I feel like I definitely could have skipped the carving of the eyebrows because that was kind of unnecessary. Then if I were to redo this, because I might do it in the future because I'm going to perfect this, I know I will, then yeah, I would skip that and then just do my false lashes and then my setting spray. But anyway, it still looks pretty decent. Comment down below what you think. I would love to hear your response. I don't know what you have to say. Do you like this look? It doesn't look as crazy as I thought it would. Yeah, let me know if you do this challenge. Is this not a challenge for you? Is it like actually like a thing that you do every single day and it only takes 5 minutes? Let me know your makeup routines down below, because for every single day, 5-minute look, it's not that bad. We're just like literally heading out and rushing out the door in the morning. 5 minutes of your whole day. Anyway, with that being said, I wanted to just do this challenge to see if I can do it and if my acne would cover well. I kind of had a feeling that this is literally all I would need. Or you could use, if you use Tarte Shape Tape and use that as a foundation even, this honestly works just as well, spreading super fast. Because I was either gonna use either one of these because I know for a fact that both of them are so heavy duty. Yeah, they'll just cover literally everything so fast. Subscribe for more videos. I post every Sunday and Thursday if you want to, you know, see my, myself. Whatever, I'm gonna put setting spray. I just don't like the powdery look, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, honestly, as soon as you add setting spray though, which literally takes an extra second to do, it makes your skin literally look like skin. So now my skin looks so much better. But anyway, again, with that being said, I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. And again, please subscribe and like this video because I feel like it helps the YouTube algorithm as far as I know. I don't know. So if you like it, it'll help hopefully promote it and yeah, help out the channel a lot. So I appreciate it. Only if you want, of course. And I will see you in the next video on Thursday. Okay. Peace.